office has a clean the fridge day, but I guarantee the way we do it here at the Josh Wolf Show is a little bit different. Check it out. It's clean the fridge out day today at work, so we decided to have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, but why are we dressed like this?
You're gonna find out right now. This way, with everybody else. There you go. First up, mushy apple.
Oh, God.
Push on.
Yeah! You got that? Yeah! Hell yeah!
Good job, Sarah.
How do you do that?
Marco!
Hello!
Burrito! Taco! Get it!
This is the most fun I've ever had.
Grapes!
Oh. You got some of them! You got some of them!
Head of lettuce!
Oh,
oh my God!
Did I get it? No, almost. Actually, you were a little short.
Here we go, burrito. Yeah! All right, let's see who won, Jiffy. Let's see here. That is sad. You caught a leaf, buddy. That was it. Jacob? That looks like a bad Sunday morning. Oh my God. Sarah? Sarah whooped you guys.
What? Yeah!
Sarah got the most in her bucket, but I think we can all agree nobody really won. Thank you. But Jiffy, since you got the least amount, buddy, I just want to tell you did a great job.
Thanks.
Yep.
Your dad's kind of a dude.
Yeah,
The Josh Wolf Show, Thursday through Sunday at 11:10 Central on CMT.